In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade gold in Exness. Now to do this, you want to go to your personal area and of course trading and then accounts, and you want to make a new account you want to use for trading gold. It could be a demo or a real account, it's completely up to you. If you want to know how to do that, click on this button and follow the instructions, or just go watch my other videos where I teach you how to open these accounts as well. Now once you've done this, you can of course go inside MT5 or MT4, it's up to you, but the easiest way for you is going to be to just click on this trade button next to your of course Exness account that you have here, and it's going to open up their trading web terminal just like that. So I'm going to click on Exness terminal, and then from here you're going to be able to actually select gold and then trade it. So go to the top, click on the plus button, and then from here you want to type in gold. Now when you do this for the first time, as you can see, it's going to pop in gold, and then here you want to find gold versus US dollar or euro or whatever you want to do, and I'm going to do here gold versus US dollar, XAU USD. That's of course the symbol. Click on it, and as you can see, it's going to be added as a new tab up top. Then from here you can of course see the price and whatnot, and you can just go to the right, select the form you want to use, and then select if you want to buy or sell. Then if you want to do a market or pending order, and if it's a pending, you want to select the open price as a limit order as well. But if it's market, just go and select the volume, pick a take profit and stop loss if you wanna, then confirm your buy or sell order, and that's how to trade gold in Exness. Okay, so super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.